It was just a hobby to start with.
Roger Conran's job is restoring vehicles that are old
I enjoy the history of it.
and big,
I see it as a challenge.
like Sherman tanks.
I've done everything from, Jeeps to tanks.
He works for a Utahn who prefers to remain anonymous, whose hobby is collecting World War II on wheels.
Over the past few years, Conran's restored dozens of vehicles and contributed to what's become the largest private World War II vehicle collection in the country.
Okay, this is a Studebaker Weasel.
Another collector, Jack Tomlin, gave us a showroom tour.
These are half-tracks here, World War II Jeep. 50 caliber machine. You had a wartime coming home.
Tomlin started collecting after his father came back from the war.
And you got to play Army and soldier. Our tracked history, M3, the Stuart. This is the M36. By 17, I was in the military. I wound up on World War II battlefields in the Pacific. This is a 155 millimeter siege gun. Shoots approximately a 100 and some pound projectile 15 miles.
Several years ago,
Bought one in Wisconsin and restored it.
Tomlin toured Europe,
All of Europe for 7 summers.
on land and sea,
Motored it across the English Channel.
in this.
This is the amphibious duck. Used them widely at the Normandy beach. It's a service to save a piece.
There's an awful lot of history behind in the Bosnian Civil War. Any piece.
If some of us don't, it would be scrapped.
Roger Conran's job,
It's more than just
his passion,
fixing it up and making it look nice. There's just a connection there between me and the vehicles.
is preventing someone from scrapping some pretty big pieces of history. I'm Peter Rosen with a fresh look on life.